Walk to me, baby. Come on. You was doing so good, damn it. She got down on her freaking knees real quick. She stood up right in the middle of the kitchen floor, nothing around her, and took off walking to me. Go see Aunt Ruby. Go see Aunt Ruby. Go get her. There's 3, 4. 4. Come on. Go see her. 5, 6, 7.
And I got it all. I'm getting it all.
And Ruby's getting it all on video right now. Come on. Yeah, really. Stay still for a second. Let Mommy let you go.
Tater.
Stay still. Hold on. There you go.
Tater.
No, stand up. Yeah, stand up. There you go. No. Down.
Come here, Tater. Tater.
Are you serious? Stand up, her.
Tater. Tater. Come here. Come here.
There's 2 more.
Come here. Come on. Come on. Oh. Come here.
Oh.
Come here. Come here.
She keeps falling on her butt, standing back up and going at it again.
Come here. Come here. You can do it. Come here. Come on, Tater. She says, oh, hell no.